In this video we will try to answer one of the humanity's biggest questions. Can we reach immortality? And if we could, how long until then and how could we do it? What we will have to sacrifice in order to achieve that? And what will be the comebacks? Either that we talk about DNA gene modifications or simply human cloning, we are trying to find out how far are these studies from an actual market product or even human testing. In order to understand better where we are and what are we trying to achieve, first we have to take a look at the root problem. What is causing this? Why are we aging in the first place? We all know that our DNA is the one responsible for dictating our looks, our behavior, or even how strong our immunity system is. Our DNA resides in every cell of our body. Each cell, depending the type, is destined to do a certain function, and most of them, with few exceptions, share one common property: they multiply. By doing that, our DNA gets harmed a little bit at each multiplication. This is the reason why after tens of years of functioning, several organs may fail. Luckily, we live in a world of technological revolution, and we are trying to monitor all the research programs that try to solve this natural mechanism issue, the process of aging. Modern day scientists try to find out other new solutions and techniques of us living much longer without having the need of getting back to organ donors for several transplants, which of course is not a desired solution. Going back to the cell's multiplication process, we conclude that the corrupted DNA produces faulty cells that reside within all our organisms. This of course ends up in the specific organs perform poorly, and we literally end up with organ failure at a certain age. That's why death appears. The most attacked organs are the heart, liver, and lungs. Mainly all the organs can be victims, taking into consideration the Alzheimer's disease, which affects the brain, or kidney failure, which simply makes our kidneys stop performing. All the given examples have as a result death, but until death we have a long process of aging and us being old, and this is practically the main target researchers want to focus on. Simply not stopping death at this moment, but the target is that period of getting old to be pushed back as late as possible. In order to achieve that, they looked into the entire process of the DNA getting corrupted, and they found out that a certain enzyme is practically helping the DNA getting broken, and that enzyme is TGF-beta. So having this in mind, scientists have developed an inhibitor, more exactly ALK5 inhibitor for TGF-beta enzyme, which practically is supposed to increase our life with about 30 or even 40%. The doctors and chemical engineers involved in the research projects are very optimistic regarding the progress they made. They say that eradicating death at all is not the main purpose, but practically enlarging our life expectancy and making our life better in our second part of living. But theoretically speaking, if this is even possible, then this means that death can be postponed for an unlimited period of time, which practically means immortality. There is no exact date for when human trial will start, but all we know for so far is that animal trial has given only positive results. So it only makes sense for us to think positive to when these research programs reach the human trial level. It's hard to say at this moment what will be the exact impact upon our civilization. Even though some voices say that this will not be exactly the best thing for our planet, it's hard to argue that this will be a great thing to experience. But if these products see the day of light or not, is just a matter of time.